Come here. Gupitan ko yung alaga ko, guys. Na kanyang mahabang no, stipot. No, this is not bad. Haba na kasi yung buhok niya sa may mata, guys, kaya gugupitan ko. Stipot golpa. This is not bad. It is good for you. Ganun kasi siya ng babasa na yung dito niya banda. Curlis. Stipot. This is not bad to you, Dak. Wala ka na makikita eh. Natakpan na naman yung mata mo eh. Miss angry with you, ha? Hungry. I'm angry with you. Sabi na, sabi natin na gutom. I'm angry with you, ha? Stipot. Listen, mommy, ha? Listen. Goldbar. I told you, stipot. This is bad. This is not bad, ha? God, may sounds na naman. Baka magbawal na naman tayo dyan. Kapitbahay yan sa Mita, ha? I'm anger na. Oh, you're so handsome na, bebe.